Hi, so this is our CS 180 project presentation. My name is Ashley.
And I'm Jennifer.
So, our product is a marketplace application where users can assume both the roles of either a buyer or a seller. So, our main objective for this project is to simulate an online marketplace that facilitates both purchasing and selling goods in a digital environment. So, why should you buy our product? Our product provides an online app that provides options to sell and buy a range of different items. This can include vintage clothes, handmade jewelry, and so much more. Our program is made so users can be both sellers and buyers, and also provides a way for clients to discover unique listings. So, with our program, more recognition towards creating small businesses is created and promoting change to fashion consumption. We hope to provide a new perspective by providing a way to bring forward sustainability within our virtual marketplace.
Next, we have a live demonstration of our product where we go through and show both the seller and the buyer options. As you can see here, we're creating a new account. So after you log in, a screen appears where you can choose whether or not you want to see the buyer or the seller options. And in this case, we chose the seller. So you can see that there's an option to list items, there's a place to see all the listings, and there's a place for sending and accepting messages. Here we're just listing an item. And then here is all of the items inside of the listing page. Now we're creating a user that will see the buyer menu. Here you can see that we chose to go with a buyer instead of seller. So once you make it in, the options are different. As you can see, there's shop instead of listings, there's search, and then there's your cart, and there's the same message functionality. And after you click refresh items in the shop, the items are loaded on as the seller put them on. Here we're testing the search functionality.
So now for testing, so throughout the duration of our phases for this product, we have developed various test cases to support our process of checking the functionality of our project. So right here, we have a few methods from our database test case that we used for our test cases. So additionally, we also personally tested the product on our own numerous times to determine if certain components of the program is able to function correctly on the seller and the buyer end. So a few examples of this would be on the bottom here, the seller's menu and the main menu. We just kind of tested it out on our own to see if it works.
Now for the frequently asked questions section. The first question is, what problem does this project solve and why is it important for the business? So our project solves the problem of streamlining the customer shopping experience on our platform, making it faster, more intuitive, and personalized. By improving search functionality and allowing people to list and sell at their decision, it boosts customer satisfaction and reduces cart abandonment, which directly impacts the business's revenue and customer retention. Our second question is, what plans do you have for the future of the app? In the future, we plan to expand the app's features and functionality by integrating better personalization through a recommendation page. This allows for even more tailor-made shopping experiences and will keep users engaged for longer periods of time. Additionally, we would like to add photos of the items to further enhance the user experience and allow them to confirm the state of the item being sold. As seen in the slide above, the Nintendo Switch was listed as slightly used, and in the photo, you would then be able to see that it's slightly used. Lastly, what challenges did you face during the implementation and how did you overcome them? One major challenge was managing multiple clients and ensuring the consistency of item IDs across the various parts of the platform. There were issues related to generating unique item IDs, particularly when multiple clients were interacting with the system simultaneously. To address this, we implemented a synchronized process and added a method to the database that automatically generates unique item IDs. This ensured that each item had a distinct identifier, preventing conflicts and improving the system's overall stability and scalability. Thank
Thank
you.
you.